Testing Permobil joystick D51153.04. Last three social serial number 503. There are some scratches on the shell. There are some cracks also on the interface and around the interface towards the shell. Some residue still on the boot, but that can be replaced. If you're looking for something just to get your chair going, this would be a good unit. All right, on with the power. So though there's cracks on the interface, it doesn't really affect how it works. So you do have your signal lights if your application has signals. There it goes. Speed control, mode, profile. Doesn't do anything. There's that joystick. I'm sorry, the horn, the lights. This is the safety. The hazard, I guess that's, oh, there it is. You gotta push a little hard on it. Thought it worked. There it is, see? So the hazards. Turn it off. Does work. There you have it.